And see that little baby hammock? We're gonna supersize it.
He's tossing out the old hammock and replacing it with a hanging bed.
Oh my God. Wow. Can't
All
wait.
right.
He's also laying sod, adding gravel patios and pathways, and trimming it out with a lush, low-maintenance landscape.
And then we're gonna do a floating bed.
Sweet.
Does that sound good?
Yes.
And Matt and Courtney build the hanging bed structure.
So now we gotta make the actual pyramid
Okay.
for our floating bed. So here it is. This is the mounting bracket for it. Feel how heavy that is?
It's pretty heavy.
Lots of steel on that. So when you put this much pressure on a structure that it's like a pyramid, okay, you're putting a lot of pressure that's going out to the 4x4s.
Right.
So what we need to do is that we need to tie ropes on each one of those 4x4s on the bottom to make sure that we don't have that pressure that's going to splay it out. Okay, because you're looking at like 250 pounds of pressure
Sure,
on
this
each
is
leg. Yes, so you go flat. Yeah. Not floating anymore. Not fun.
They insert the redwood 4x4s and move it into place.
Oh, watch out.
Oh!
Sorry.
I think we got it, Kyle.
I got my side. Hey, I'm glad there was no one underneath there. That would have been fun. 1, 2, 3. Yep, push it in. Rotate. Pivot. All right, that's good.
Then they run the rope.
And then come over to this end. Jeez.
Don't trip.
I just built my own trip hazard.
Attaching each post to the one across from it, pulling it tight, and tying it off.
Sweet.
With the hanging bed going in,
Nice and easy.
and top off the hanging bed with a mattress.
Oh, come on, Matt.
Okay. Homeowner cam. Homeowner cam. Homeowner cam.
This is the life. This is the life.
Guess what?
What?
This yard is done. That is a wrap, everybody! You got the hanging bed, one of the biggest, most comfiest hanging beds
Yes.
ever.
And what's amazing is we can both be out there and we don't have to fight over the hammock anymore with the
true.
hanging bed.
Yes.
And Courtney gets the yard of her dreams.
This is the life. This is the life.